A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful. We are starting our first live transmission from the Shippers platform. And in beginning, I can tell you all things what we are discussing in the Shippers platform. We are not only giving you the live transmission from the Karachi or the Pakistan. If we talk about Dubai, the people think Dubai is a building city, it's a glamour city, but we can talk about Dubai, what is actually Dubai is. It is not just about glamour or the tall buildings. Dubai become the shipping capital because of planning and location and vision. It is connected with Asia, Europe and Africa as well. They built Jebel Ali port, one of the biggest and best ports in the world. The UAE didn't stop there. Dubai created free zone, smart customs and paperless trade. It's very big thing. The paperless trade. It means everything is by the digitalize everything. Trade from all over the world. Trust Dubai. Today Dubai handles not just cargo, it handles trust, efficiency and speed. This is what made it a global shipping powerhouse. It's a powerhouse really. Pakistan can learn from this. We have the location but we need long-term planning and stable policy. If you look at the future of the city, things are moving fast. First, containers are becoming smarter with tracking chips and temperatures sensors. Temperature sensors are fixed over there, and with tracking chips and the temperature sources, companies know exactly where their cargo is and how it's doing. Second, ships are becoming greener. Further, ships will not just run on diesel, they will use LNG, wind, even solar energy. Environmental pressure is real. Third, paper is going out. Digital trade documents like a bills of loading are speeding things up. No more waiting for fax and stamps. Fourth, global trade routes are shifting. The architect routes is opening slowly. China is investing in Africa. The Indian Ocean is now a highway of business. For Pakistan, this is a chance. Gwadar and Karachi must be ready with faster customers, better port handling, stronger shipping laws. Sea trade is the future, but only those who move fast will stay in the game. If we talk about containers, they look simple, just big metal boxes, but inside is their heartbeat of the global trade. Every second, around 6,000 containers are moving across the world by ships, trucks, and trains. And one container may carry clothes made in Bangladesh, laptops from China, and the mangoes from Pakistan. It is a moving market, but what people don't know is that these containers are like stories or meals. A 20-foot container can carry someone's entire business. A delay container can crash a supply chain. A lost container, it can cost millions. If we talk about Pakistan's biggest hope in maritime, unfortunately or fortunately, it is Gwadar. This port has the power to change Pakistan's economic future. The strategic location, absolutely, it is connected. The Middle East, Africa, Central Asia, and even Europe via CPEC. But something is missing. You visit the port, it is beautiful, but the silence is loud. Trains are there, but cargo is not. Roads are there, but traffic isn't. It is like a sleeping giant. The people of Gwadar ask where the jobs. The traders ask where the shipments. And we ask, Gwadar tum kab bologe? When will you speak Gwadar? Real shipping activity, transport customs, peace of the locals, international trust, only then it will speak, and when it does, the world will listen. When Gwadar will speak, the world will listen. Very importantly, the people are seeking for the job in all over the world. And if we look at the shipping industry, this is not just about ships and containers. It is about jobs, growth, and opportunity. Every ship that docks at a port creates work for stevedores, loading, unloading, freight forwarders, clearing agents, custom inspectors, transport drivers, logistics planner, warehouse staff, and young people. They can become digital logistic analysts, port operation officers, maritime lawyers, international trade experts. But here is the real issue. Are we training our youth for this? Mostly no. That is the gap. So we must raise our voice. Pakistan needs shipping academics, port training centers, internship programs, and digital freight management courses. If Dubai can do it, so we can. If Singapore can become a shipping school, why can't Karachi? Let's prepare our youth so they don't just watch the ship pass by. They board it and they command it. Now the topic is becoming little difficult. Pakistan versus UAE. Port performance showdown. If we compare Pakistan and UAE in port performance, it is not just a gap, it's a giant distance. UAE port like Jabal Ali and Khalifa port fully digitalized 24/7 operations, one window clearance, all based cargo tracking. Global shipping lines trust them. Now look at Pakistan ports. Karachi port, Port Qasim, Gwadar is still developing. Problems, manual paperwork, delayed customers clearance, political interference, no real cargo updates, unauthorized terminals. What does that mean? Higher shipping cost, cargo stuck for days. Cargo stuck for days, Pakistan become less attractive for global traders. What do we need? Digital customs, automation, one vendor solution, trained port officers. Now we will talk about the hidden killer of the maritime trade, customs delay. If we talk about customs delay, they are not just minor hiccup. These are the silent killer of the trade efficiency. A shipment that arrives on time but gets stuck at customs, that is the nightmare for every importer and exporter. Customs delay means storage charges. It means damages. It means disappointing client, broken contracts and financial loss. In many ports of Asia including Pakistan, the biggest problem is not the ship arrival but the post-arrival process. Clearance delays, document issue, inspection procedures and red taps. Why does this happen? Because of outdated system, unnecessary check, manually processing. नाउ लिटिल बिट इन उर्दू जब कंटेनर पोर्ट पर पहुंच जाए लेकिन एक हफ्ता कस्टम्स क्लियरेंस का इंतजार हो तो वो शिपमेंट नहीं एक नुकसान का पैगाम बन जाता है। ये डिले सिर्फ एक पेपर वर्क का मसला नहीं है, ये लॉजिस्टिक्स का collapse है। If we talk about ports, they are not just gateway for ship, they are economic lounge of a country. From cranes to cold storage, from containers yards to customs offices, every inch matters. Strong ports mean strong trade. Whether it is Karachi, Port Qasim or Gwadar. If the roads are broken, if the cranes are outdated, if the scanners are missing, the whole supply chain collapses. UAE door stood this early. They turned Jabal Ali into one of the largest man-made port in the world. Automated, well connected and ultra fast. पोर्ट सिर्फ जहाजों का इंतजार करने वाली जगह नहीं, ये मुल्क की इकोनॉमी की एक बड़ा दरख्शां सितारा है। इसको चमकते रहना चाहिए। अगर पोर्ट स्लो होगा तो ट्रेड स्लो हो जाता है, अगर पोर्ट मॉडर्न हो तो इन्वेस्टर्स खुद चले आते हैं। ग्लोबल मैरीटाइम ट्रेड, हाउ द वर्ल्ड मूव। इफ यू लुक एट द वर्ल्ड मैप, ऑलमोस्ट 90% ऑफ ग्लोबल ट्रेड हैपेंस बाय सी, फ्रॉम रॉ मटेरियल्स टू स्मार्टफोन्स, फ्रॉम the oil barrels to breakfast cereal, सब कुछ पानी के रास्ते से गुजरता है। World's biggest movers, China, world's top exporter, ports like Shanghai handle millions of containers every week. Singapore is small but powerful, known as the world's biggest transshipment hub. Rotterdam, Netherlands, Europe का gatekeeper. Everything from Asia enters Europe through this mega port. Los Angeles and Long Beach, USA handles most of the America's ports, from electronics to cars. Every explanation style, if you talk about shipping, imagine a highway but on water. Instead of cars, we have containers. हर कंट्री को दूसरी कंट्री से माल लाना और भेजना होता है और सबसे सस्ता तरीका है शिप। इसलिए सी ट्रेड दुनिया की सबसे अच्छी और सबसे इफेक्टिव कॉस्ट ट्रेड है, जो वे है जिसके जरिए सामान लाया जा सकता है। दुनिया की सबसे इफेक्टिव कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव ट्रेड जो है वो sea trade है। Over the 60,000 commercial ships are moving around Panama Canal and the Suez Canal, shortcut from the world. Dubai, Singapore, Hong Kong, these are not just cities, they are engines of world trade. Whoever controls trade routes controls the economy. और जो समंदर समझ गया वो दुनिया को चला सकता है।